Morning, it's Miss Adine, and today we're going to do some blending with oil pastels. We're going to start with the yellow going really light pressure, and then adding some green going light pressure, and keeping it light the whole way. This is a sped up video, so it's really fast. You can see it just, goes from light to dark. Now doing the same thing with hard pressure with that green over. You can see there was a little bit of dirt on that, but we don't mind. We're just going to go back over that with some yellow and some more green. And you can see the dark pressure blend to the light pressure blend. Here's graffito, which is like going in little circles over and over and over, fast. Different colors. And you can blend as many colors as you want with that. I'm using purple and pink. And then a little bit of blue. Oh, nope. And let's move on to some black to white. So light pressure and then dark pressure on the white going back and forth, making a nice value scale. That will work with any color in white. Here, this is sort of like making a scratch board. I'm just putting down any colors I want to, layering them over it from light, and then I'm going to dark. Now I'm taking a pencil without a point and I'm just scratching off some of the layers, and you can see the colors that were underneath. Here I'm going to go with middle pressure, not too heavy, not too light, using a green and a blue, sort of a yellow and a blue, and a green in the middle. I'm going to blend it into green in the middle with my finger in a paper towel. And last but not least is going to be sort of a pointillism dot, starting with a light black because I want to do it on top of something other than white paper, and then going with purples and blues. Now this takes a minute or two, and you can see how the color changes as I add different colors and layers on top. The light blue adds another dimension to it. Starts looking more smoky with that pink and purple mixed. And there you have it. I'm going to add a little bit of peach. Get rid of some of those white spots. And that's about it. This is some of the techniques you can use for blending oil pastels. More colors than you can ever get with crayons or colored pencils. Have fun!